little buggers, eh? They're always waiting on me. So sweet. Now move out of the way now. Oh, there's bushy tail. Did someone feed them? Oh, someone fed them again. Alright. Saves me the trouble, eh? Scratchy, shy shy, shy shy. What are you looking at? Something is out there. Oh, they're up behind here, eh? It's Felix. Who's this? Look at this bushy tail. Here she goes. Bushy. But there's food there for you, isn't it? Yeah, they've got food. A bunch of food there. Shay boy. Come here, Scratchy. Come here, Scratchy. Come here. Yeah, it looks busy here tonight. Alrighty. Might get some leftovers there. Tommy is probably up behind here somewhere, so I'll see him in a bit. Oh, there's bushy tail. Bushy tail. You don't trust me, eh? Is the light on? There we go. Luckily I found this. Very good for my chickens. Oh, that's a whole bread. Whoa, that's a full bread. And these smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 7 actually. Oh, it's a good thing I tuned in. Very good. Is that a local beer? No, it's the recycled. There's Chubby. Chubby will follow, even though they've been fed, Chubby will still follow me up here. Alrighty, very good. You know, go see. Yeah, it's a full bread. It's not even burst, it's a full bread. Doesn't even look spoiled. But it's going for the chickens anyway. That's local bread. The island. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 breads and 1 cake. Banana bread. Yeah. Alright, I'll go and check the skip now. Okay, let's see what's in here. It looks pretty empty. So they probably came early this morning and emptied it. Yeah, some stuff here. Oranges, they're still good too. Some of them are. You see, they just throw the whole thing up because this zoom is on and there's no bloody wonder. Yeah, okay. And they see, the good ones are, they just throw the whole back out. I'm just gonna take everything because the bad ones can go in my organic compost bin. And doesn't look like there's anything else. Let me get that. Oh, there it is. Handy stick. This is someone else's stick, but they leave it here so they can do their own fossicking. Feels like it has something in it. Sometimes they have bananas in them, which is what comes in them anyway. So Feels heavy. There's something in it. Oh, those are puddings. Wow, not even opened or anything. Shame. But there's next to my breads here. See if anything else is in here. I sound a goodie today. I should take that bit. Not much though. That's full of something. Oh, there's more of them. That's the pack that they came in. So they throw the whole case out. Oh, they're falling out now. Oh, bloody hell. That means I can't get them. Well, I can use my grabber, which I gotta walk back down there for it. I should just keep that on me. I just don't bother because most of the time I don't find anything, so just taking the grabber with me is... It's just spiteful that they throw things all the way in the back. Doesn't like there's anything. I'll probably be able to reach these. I'll bring them up close by. Oh, that one is close by. And then I can get the crate and just reach in and get them. It's a pretty long arms, being 188 centimeters high, 1.9 meters high. So I'll just grab a crate. Look, see her? Even though she's not hungry, she's followed me. She loves me so much. You chubby? Well, sort of. She runs away when I try to touch her. Alright, I'm gonna get a crate and then grab those. Oh, they even took all the crates. Oh no. Oh no. How am I gonna get in there now? Took everything. Suppose I could use... No, this is going to be dangerous. Oh, there's Tommy. I was wondering where you were, little buddy. Ça va, Duke? Ça va, monsieur? Good, buddy. There were two of those here. What happened to the other one? Someone probably stole it, because you cannot leave things around here. I was going to use the other one. There were two of these here. People, they just can't leave things alone. Alright. Tell you what, I'll go get my grabber and then come back and get that. It's easier with the grabber. Going to get the grabber. I said I might as well bring the wheelbarrow at the same time, eh? So that makes it easier to take everything back because I don't want to hurt my back anymore. Look at how easy it is with the grabber, eh? Jolly good. So much easier. Silly lad I am. That's what I bought it for, and then I don't take it with me. You can even pick up a whole box with this. And then that's that one there. And that's it. I think that's a whole case. It's a whole case of them. But the bottom fell out, that's why they came out too. Okay. Just gonna dig a bit in. If there's anything else, then off we go. It's good when it's low like this, in the sense, because it's harder to reach. But I think that's about it. So it still feels like there's something in this. Maybe I'll just take this and put everything in here. Oh, that didn't work out so good. That's just garbage. So yeah, that's it. I didn't check that box, did I? That's one there. Nothing. And there's that one in the back. Alright, I'm gonna take these two. So I just put everything in here and done with it. Instead of carrying more stuff, carrying more stuff in. They're empty. Alright, I'll take this stuff out and put everything into one box. Ah, there's a bottle there. What's that? I can't even be bothered because people are so... Let's put everything in here. Some of those oranges are good. Oop. Yeah, I'll take this box because, yeah, well, why not? Put everything in there. Put the braids in this one. Because these are the yuckiest and the yuckiest trash. So, just in case those things are still good. Yeah. And off we go. Oh, you see that? I was just about ready to go and leave my light. Yeah. A little bit of extra walking don't hurt anyone. So there we go. I don't think there was nothing there. See any more? I don't see any more shells. So today is the first day of the lunar month. So flowers are coming out nicely, aren't they? Yeah. I saw the crescent moon earlier. So there we go. I think I've checked everything over there, and there's Tommy. Tommy likes to be alone. What the hell was that? Something flying there? Or is it just... Probably just my glasses are dirty. Tommy? What's up, boy? Who's that crying? I heard another cat crying here. Oh, it's Chubby. Chubby's on in there. Oh, they don't have water. I should have brought some. See, these bloody chickens drink all their water. I'm going to have to make another trip, I suppose. And then there's water up there as well. So, come back up later. Take this down and that's it. Tommy always gets scared. He doesn't realize it's me. The way that they abuse these animals around here, that's why they're bound to run. Wash them out a bit. They're starting to get yucky again, so I'm going to have to do another scrub. Bring another Brillo pad. And clean them up again. See what happened. There used to be a big container in the front there. But since I haven't been coming, no one was refilling it. I didn't put it there. I think it's the girl from the liquor store. And I think they haven't been opening that often. So it just blew away, not all that wind. If you remember that wind from... Hey Chubbs. That wind from last year. So it just blew away. And that was a really nice container. So then they're starting to come back here again for water. I mean, I don't know, maybe someone moved it because they don't like the cats being in the front there. Which I do understand why, because it attracts the chickens, and the chickens, unlike cats, the chickens will poop the place up. It's yucky out in the front there. I mean, it doesn't look good to see anywhere food is sold, food and drink is sold, to see a yucky. I mean, you don't want to see that at all. But even more so in a restaurant, supermarket, liquor store. It's in the plaza here. So, and make sure these are filled up for them in the back. It's better to keep them around the back here, so they stay out of trouble. So to keep the chicken that's leaking. Gonna have to try to fix that. I think this is for the restaurant, yeah. Yeah, this is the restaurant's tap, so I'm gonna try to fix it for you. That's probably costing them. See, that's leaking right there. So, I think the valve is bad in it. I'm gonna try to fix that for you. Okay. I should leave this up there, but I just leave it up top here and then take it up when I go. So they've got water here and there, so they're set. And there's nothing else here for me to pick up tonight, so see if there were no scraps when I checked in earlier. There's no recyclable things here. So I don't think I'm going to stay around too long. There's nothing for me else to take. They got their water and what have you. And Jennifer's out here. Where did I put my light? Don't tell me I left that in the wheelbarrow. Bloody hell. I'm sure I put it. So where did I put it? How the hell did I put the light? Where's the light? Where the bloody hell is my spotlight? Can't afford to lose that. Thing's expensive. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Got my glasses on and still couldn't see it. Alright, I'm gonna go inside now and check. See, they're not meowing, so they've been fed. I don't know where the other one went. Alright, let me go inside and check. That's how I know they've been fed, because pretty boys are hanging around. I'm just gonna double check just before I go. See? They're not hungry. That's why they come running. And they are coming running, but yeah, they're not hungry. They're just coming because they hear the sound. So. They're not meowing or anything, so they're not hungry. It's a pretty boy there. Suppose I was wrong, because there he is. Come. Come here. Come. There you go. See, sometimes you're so nice. Come here. Come. Ah. Oh, there's a little pretty kitten. I haven't seen her in ages. See, now he's gonna fight. They're gonna fight because she's not from around here. She shows up once a month or so, once every 2 or 3 months. She's probably hungry too. What I should do is leave some food out here for her. That's what I'm gonna do. But when they're not looking, because where did she go? There she is. Try to get a close up of her. Probably hungry. Not probably, that's a hunger meow. Come here. Yeah, I'm gonna put some food somewhere out here for her. But these other cats don't follow me. That's why they get sick. He was just drinking the water from here, which is probably pretty clean, but still it's taking all the nutrients and fertilizer with it. So it's, yeah, that's the yucky. You see, I even put clean water there for him. They still drink that because they don't find the one that used to be up there, and there used to be a big white container there. And the 8 days that I didn't come up here, it blew away in the wind because no one was refilling it. So, all right, let me get some food for this little one. She seems hungry, so. Oh, that's Vancouver. Vancouver's a smart cat. She actually uses this pedestrian crossing. Where did the pretty one go? No, I lost her now. Maybe she's waiting on the bus. Actually, that's where I should put it. She'd probably smell it if I put it right in the back of the bus stop here, bus shelter. Oh, I hear her somewhere. No, that's pretty boy. Not you. I'm not calling you. See, he does that. Each time I try to put a food out for another cat, he follows the trail, and see, there he goes again. So even if I do leave it out here, he's probably just gonna eat it. I don't know where she went to. I thought I just heard her somewhere. Is that her there? No, that's Tommy. Tommy and Shy Boy. I'm gonna leave it far away. So he's chasing me again. That's why I can never leave food for the bushy tail one, and maybe she came far up here. But I heard her meow before. Maybe she's hiding. See, there he goes again. He doesn't let me. A cheeky little bugger. I'm gonna leave it out here. Maybe she'll find it. I leave it right here by the bus shelter. Maybe she'll find it there. Someone is out there. Okay. Alright. Who's that? Dead plant. Hey, there's another one drinking there again. I'm gonna have to find another container to put there. They're gonna get sick drinking that too. Is that the little that's Tommy. I don't know where that little one went to. Look at that. That's the first rain of the year. The cats are out in the rain as well. It's a good thing I put up my window. I usually don't. Here's Tommy. There's still a bit of food there. I'm not going to put any out because it's only going to get wet and they're not going to eat it. He's still eating it. Okay, well, got ice. See my new ice bag instead of wasting their bags. And got everything else. Got the stuff in the back. So I am out of here to enjoy a rainy night. Oh, hope this doesn't spill over in here now. Oh, I should have left that there. I'll just bring it tomorrow. I'll just pop it in there. So it doesn't, no, it can't fit. Okay, I'll just put it over there. Well, see that? That's not gonna move. Yeah. Good job. Alrighty. Oh, okay. That's really nice. Best by 5th of August 2021. Why would they throw them out? They all say that. They all say the same thing. It's baby food. 5th of August 2021. Weird that they would throw them all out. Unless there's some... Oh, they burst. Ah, okay. I see. Okay.